was like a 68 dB. I'm like, what the heck? I can't handle this.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
Oh, I was trying to open it in the door. The door won't open.
It doesn't. It'll fall right off.
Whoa. Wow, it's all built in.
The whole thing, all steel.
Wow. Can I go in? You want me to go?
Absolutely.
Okay. Wow.
I'll tell you, you know how these 6-orders work, right?
Yeah.
It's not windy on that side at all, but this is a
know.
very low tune build. So, John Barwell, it's a 2013 Chevy Suburban, 2-wheel drive from Concord, New Hampshire.
Nice. Wow. So this actually keeps it close, so you don't have to worry about breaking the doors much or windshields or.
Yeah, basically, and that's kind of a half-ass fix. Like I started this build like 6 months ago, and it was bone stock.
Okay.
So a lot of welding, but this winter we're gonna do the whole thing. Is the dash is gonna be gone, everything's gonna be all steel.
Okay.
So and possibly switching over to Sky High subs.
So what all equipment?
So these are the Sundown ZV618s. They're DE2s, which also needs to change. Obviously, I have 3 Crescendo, 17Ks. All the mid amps are down for sound. Mids are all Sundown as well. 3 MacBand 400s on the power side of it. All X's power wire.
Wow. A lot of cone area.
Yeah.
And you built this?
Yeah. Yeah. It's all steel behind it.
I was looking on the side of the doors. You can see all of the metal work.
Yeah, it's all the way through, all the floors, the whole roof.
Wow. How many hours do you think you got in this?
A lot.
Like,
A lot of nights welding, man, especially with a newborn or a pregnant wife, you know?
Yeah. Awesome. So this is a 6th order, being that there's a back port,
Yes.
and then the front there's not really a loading wall, but
There's not, and I didn't have enough time to really figure it out, but it was playing so well and so low how it was. I didn't want to fuck with it too much until before the show.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Okay.
no loading wall yet,
Okay.
but there will be one.
What's the tuning roughly, or SPL or frequency peak or something?
20 in the rear,
Okay.
and it's around 26, 28.
Okay.
What's up, buddy?
Wow.
If you don't get this kind of fucking hurting in his life,
It doesn't hurt though, it's just windy.
So how did you brace this box? That's a very weird question. Like underneath,
All metal.
all metal.
All metal. So the whole baffle, each one of these painted pieces right here. So this is all car paint, by the way, not that matters, but it's basically framed metal. It's angle iron on the way back, the sides, up, and then going across like this in each section.
Okay.
And then it has supports on the sides and in the middle.
Okay.
You know?
I only asked that because usually when people have this much cone area, you'll see a brace on this end,
Yeah.
so it doesn't slap. So you've probably done some good work to keep it from slapping.
Yeah,
and moving.
it's serious. It's 1/4-inch metal. It's all the way through it.
Awesome.
It's all welded and bondoed, and
Looking forward to hearing it. And you can drive this, but you
No.
trailer it.
I trailer it, but I
Okay.
don't drive it.
Yeah.
No way.
But you're able to drive
It's
it
so
if you need it.
fucking- Yeah,
It's just heavy.
I mean, I could if it was like end of days, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But no, not very cool to drive through New York City with something
Yes, sir.
like
That's
this.
right.
And we're comfortable.
Yep. All right.
he's a lean back kind of guy. As you can tell, he can't lean back.
So it'll play. What's the frequency range on the low end that you'll
Oh,
play?
it'll play right down to 12.
Oh my gosh.
It really likes around like 16, 17, and around like, I don't know, 26.
Okay.
It likes that.
What's your top and bottom?
20 and 30.
Tell them about me.
Yeah, 20 and 30. So
Yeah.
30 cubes on the top,
Yeah.
20 on the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, got it. All right.
And it could be, I mean, I added roundovers on the so it could have changed a little bit, but that's
Yeah.
roughly where it would be.
And the windshield's doing good.
Well, yeah. These Tahoes, the windows very rarely do they, especially with low stuff. You know, I'm not trying to break shit, but.
Ready to hear it. Awesome, man.
Ready
But
to
don't
hear
give me something that'll like squeeze me at 50 hertz. So.
Well, do you want, I mean, because it doesn't
I
get
like
any
lows
wind over
more.
there.
I
Yeah,
like
so you
lows
want
more.
to sit where I am.
Okay.
Like 100%.
Yeah. I don't want to hear like 65 at 55
You're not
hertz.
gonna, I'll play you. Hold on, let me just get this.
I got in one vehicle that was like a 68 dB. I'm like, what the heck? I can't handle this.
I'm gonna play you some metal.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Thank you. And you can actually bring that out of the vehicle. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to shut the door to load off of it?
yourself.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I'm sorry, Jacob. You gotta open that center console and turn my subwoofers on. My bad. Just hit the speaker button right there.
This one.
Yeah. Whoops. Oops.
It's on.
Daisy.
All right, it's on.
Sorry, bud.
Okay.
You want to restart it?
Sure.
Just hit that. Just hit that cowboy. There you go.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Okay. Whoa, that's a lot of power. Wow. Wow. That's beautiful.